Activating easy mode to use NotebookLM to make money online starts inside of NotebookLM when you upload your sources. Understanding that if you own the sources, for example, this list of sources right here, I own because I purchased a license to them. That license is called PLR, or private label rights. It's a license for me to use these files, this content, as my own to create my own information product. You can get these as well. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to this page where you can buy all of this PLR. And as a bonus, I'll give you a deep dive video showing you how to use NotebookLM to organize the information to create and sell your own information product and keep 100% of the profits. It's all right here. All you have to do is click this green button. It'll take you over to this sales page where you can understand more about all of this content. If this content is something or in a niche that you're interested in, then pick it up and you'll get the bonus, and I'll walk you through using all this content to create your own information product using NotebookLM. Again, easy mode comes from having access to this content and the ability to put your name on it, use it as a lead magnet to build your list, use the content as individual blog posts, set it up in your autoresponder, add your affiliate links, or turn it into your own information product. And that's the focus here in this video, is activating easy mode, first starting with the sources that you can click here to upload. Of course, you can't upload .doc files. So what I did is I loaded them up into Google Docs, and then I simply just start selecting and inserting those documents as source files right here inside of NotebookLM. Of course, I can just keep adding all of them and add all of them that I want or that I'm interested in. And it's just as simple as inserting each one of them. I wish NotebookLM had the ability, and I don't think you can, like, select all of these. It would be really cool if you could just select all of those and just insert them, or maybe you can. Maybe I've been doing that wrong this whole time. It is highlighting it in blue there. So let me just insert a few of these, and you can see here I've reached the maximum number. So let's go ahead and remove the two that I already inserted, and we'll go ahead and we will insert all that we can, and we'll insert those. And there we go. We learned something new together here about NotebookLM and inserting the Google Docs. But the point here is easy mode starts by having those sources uploaded and owning the rights to that content. Of course, having your own content is the key here, and buying a license means that the content belongs to you. Then, as you chat with these sources, we have 22 sources here, all on the same topic. The first thing to do is click, and to maintain easy mode is to click Briefing Doc. This is NotebookLM reading through all of these sources. Of course, you should read this all yourself, and you should understand the topic, and you should want to learn more about it, actually do it before you start trying to teach it. But understand the power of NotebookLM is that you upload these sources, the sources in easy mode that you own the rights to use as your own content. And now you have a briefing doc here that explains exactly what we're looking at. We're looking at online marketing strategies and tactics. So this briefing document is reviewing the key themes and insights from various sources on online marketing, focusing on traffic conversion, niche marketing, affiliate marketing, and customer relation management. We have each document here, and what each document, a breakdown, a listing, a bullet point list of what each document is, so we can easily see exactly what it is we're referencing, as well as a quote. You can make money with straight sales copy, but you'll make more money when building a relationship with buyers. Let them into your life enough that they care about you, and they will be more willing to invest in your products. And you can see here that each one of these products is, or each one of these sources is broken down for you to get a better idea of what you want the product to be about. But it doesn't stop there. You close that note, that briefing doc, then you have frequently asked questions. Just go ahead and click that one. Remember, we're focused here on easy mode, NotebookLM, taking all these sources. There are 22 documents here that you possibly haven't even read yet, but you're getting the key information from NotebookLM. Frequently asked questions. What is the key to turning website visitors into buyers? How can I make a product that stands out from the competition? What are autoresponders and how can they benefit my business? You're learning more about this topic. You're learning more about this niche. You are looking at the common problems, and you can see here what are some of the common marketing mistakes to avoid. You are looking at the problems. Your goal by using NotebookLM and Easy Mode is to upload those sources and then start taking these notes with the notebook guide, create a study guide, create a briefing doc, create a table of contents of all the information. And then once you do that, go ahead and open up the chat and start and think, after I've looked through all of that information that NotebookLM has condensed for me, how can I create my own product to help solve a problem? What is one problem that I could solve? Well, you could just simply ask NotebookLM. It is AI underneath it. Inside of NotebookLM, you've created this note with all these sources, with this content that you now own that you can use as your own information to create your own information product. So now let's identify a problem. Then at that point, I am asking the AI. NotebookLM has taken all the sources and simplified it down for me. Now I'm using the AI to identify a problem. And you can see here what I've done is I've simply just asked it to list one major problem that this information solves for a person that wants to make money online but doesn't know where to start. Problem: not knowing where to start online. The sources collectively address a major problem for individuals interested in generating income online but unsure of their first steps. Identifying a profitable niche and understanding how to target a specific audience with that niche. This is everything that you need to learn to make money online, but it's also everything that anyone that is a beginner that has no idea how to make money online. For you, you know about NotebookLM, you understand AI, you just now became aware that you can go out and purchase content in the form of PLR, and you can start helping people that you want to help. And of course, you can do this in any topic. It doesn't have to be about making money online. I'm just using this as an example because typically people that watch my videos are interested in breaking into this idea of showing people how to make money online. So you go and you say, okay, well, I know where to start. I know about AI. I know about NotebookLM, and now I know about PLR. Well, all I need to do is identify these problems and then show people the solution, which is inside of this content. So issue number one, or step number one, follow the problem. Success in online marketing often stems from addressing specific problems faced by people seeking solutions. To find these problems, do these things. All right. Next thing they need to do is drill down in a niche. Then they need to identify their market. And then by addressing these key points and identifying a problem to solve, drilling down specific niche and understanding your target market, individuals new to online marketing can overcome the initial hurdle of uncertainty and begin building a profitable online business. AI has taken all this information that we've purchased the license to use as our own, and we've activated Easy Mode here inside of NotebookLM, and it has identified the problem, and the solution is here in the source documents. All we need to do now is keep going to the next level and chatting with NotebookLM. As an example, I'll just go ahead and continue the chat and say, give me an example of the solution to this problem you've identified. And you can see here that NotebookLM is doing the heavy lifting for you. Again, referencing these sources, the sources that you now own the rights to actually create your own information product and start making money online, just by simply saying, now give me an example of the solution to the problem that NotebookLM, the AI, Google AI underneath, identified for you, not knowing where to start with online marketing. Now it is giving you an example. Example solution: targeting stay-at-home parents seeking online income. Let's take the example of stay-at-home parents seeking online income to illustrate how the problem of not knowing where to start can be solved using information from the sources. The information from the sources. How can the problem be solved using the information from the sources? Then it gives you solutions or an example to the solution to the problem of the sources, or using the sources that have identified the problem and now created the solution. And NotebookLM and Google AI did all this for you. And now you can take notes and you can add all that information in there, and you can start creating your own information product by using Easy Mode. Once you activate Easy Mode, by knowing that all you need to do is have content, go out and find content that you can buy the rights to in any niche. And of course, in this example, I've linked in the link in the description to this content. If you're interested in the make money online niche, then you can check this out and you can activate Easy Mode. And I've created a bonus that's going to show you step by step and the system that I use to create information products. And that bonus will be delivered to you after you pick up the license to this content to activate Easy Mode here inside of NotebookLM. Link in the description. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.